You can expect a lot from the 2008 Pontiac G6. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 140,000 kilometers. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 117-point inspection. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.